Good morning, everyone. I am in the city of Gyeongju in South Korea. It is the former capital of the Silla dynasty. It is the city of kings and queens, and there are a lot of historical sites, including some burial mounds, which you might see behind me. And today I'm going to go for a run through part of the city, and we're going to hopefully check out some cool parts of the city. So let's go for a run on this nice, cool fall day. Here we go. Let's check it out. Gyeongju is located in southeastern South Korea. This relatively small city is known for its extensive historical and cultural sites. My run in Gyeongju started at the Daereongwon Royal Tomb Complex. I made my way past the Chomsongdae Observatory and finished at the Donggung Palace and Walji Pond area. This was a fun city to run in, and I hope you enjoy the beautiful and historical sights of Gyeongju. All right, not bad. This is a nice, peaceful area. What a beautiful fall morning to be out running. This is terrific. All right. Alright everyone, so the last time I was here was the springtime, and these are cherry blossoms, and they were really beautiful when I was here, and I filmed and I deleted the film accidentally, so I don't have any footage of the beautiful cherry blossoms, but I do have pictures. Okay, this is going pretty well. Let's keep running. We got more places to check out, and hopefully we see a couple more cool parts of the city. Hey everybody! Over on my left is Chomsongdae, which is the oldest astronomical observatory in Asia. That's pretty awesome. It's beautiful. Oh! Crazy dog! Alright everyone, I'm entering a little part of the city called Walji Pond, maybe? Okay, so this place is most popular at night because it gets all lit up and, you know, reflections off the pond, and it also means if you come here at night, you're dealing with crowds. Or if you come in the morning, it's empty, which I like. It's quite nice. Alright everyone, that is running in Gyeongju, South Korea. My GoPro died on me, so I didn't quite get to finish filming everything I wanted to, but I hope you enjoyed the video anyways. My name is Andy, I'm the travel runner, and I don't know where I'm going to be traveling to next, but wherever I go, I'm going to be running, and of course, I hope to see you there. Bye everyone.